has surprised a lot of people. A wicket. There is another wicket. Munaf Patel has picked up a wicket. He's back into the attack. Goodness me, the Indians are celebrating the middle now. That is 9 down. There's still 3 runs needed for victory. Tutsobe is the last man who's going to come out. That is a huge wicket.
Warren Morkel looking to finish it in one hit, but he couldn't get over the top of it. The drive is his shot, but that wasn't full enough. So the breakthrough comes. The drama continues. Warren Morkel has gone for 6, 188 for 9.
It's a cliffhanger. Lonwabo Tutsobe has arrived, number 11, a genuine number 11. 4 wickets, and he bowled so superbly. A long conversation between him and Wayne Parnell before Tutsobe arrived at the batting end. Goodness me, what about this for pressure? 3 to win, plenty of balls. A tie is a tie, of course. There's no super over, there's no replays. India will be desperate to pick up a quick wicket now. They want to wrap this up. We have got pressure galore. There is tension on the faces. Munaf Patel to Tutsobe. On the front foot, middle of the bat. Big cheer of the Wanderers.
But Robert Tutsobe's had a great evening. He bowled superbly. Caught his terrific catch as well, and this is why he's there. Warren Morkel trying to get the boundary, but not getting over the top of it. Wasn't full enough for the drive. So Munaf Patel strikes again. He's bowled superbly for India.
He's got one. Yes, he has. He's off the mark with the single to Tutsobe. If there was a route for the Wanderers, it would have just come off.
So just 2 to win now. 2 deliveries left in this over. Wayne Parnell on strike.
Wow, what a finish. We have seen some extraordinary cricket over the last month. Another magnificent game here at the Wanderers. Fight back from India after being totally outplayed in the first one in Durban, and there's tension in that change room, that's for sure. Brings Parnell back on strike. That's the important thing from Tutsobe's point of view.
Zadia Khan wants a crack at Tutsobe. He's got 1 over left. 1 delivery left in this over. Can Wayne Parnell finish it now?
Yeah, this is going to be very interesting what Evers Dhoni does. The bottom line here is they cannot afford to give away a single. Scores will be level then. They need to make sure that Parnell doesn't score a run with this delivery. Last ball be over from Patel. Wow, this is extraordinary. That is it. It is sensational stuff here at the Wanderers. Parnell cannot believe what's happened. The celebrations have begun for India. I can imagine that all around the cricketing world, people are out of their chairs. This has been an extraordinary game here at the Wanderers. Brilliant stuff from India. They win by 1 run.
What a moment. Wayne Parnell is absolutely devastated. He thought he got that through, but he didn't. Went straight to gully, and a terrific catch. Yuvraj Singh. South Africa devastated. They should have won this game. They bowled well, they fielded well, they had it in their grasp.
Wow, South Africa lost their last 6 wickets for 37 runs. Parnell will be absolutely devastated. This has gone down to the absolute wire. Patel sensational, only got with 4 for 29, and here's a look at what happened to finish the game.
Sharp catch by Yuvraj Singh. Disappointment for Wayne Parnell. A yard left or right of Yuvraj Singh, and it was through. He's delighted, and why shouldn't he be? A terrific fight back from India, and this series is alive.
They have done it again, India. Look at the eyes of Yuvraj Singh. They've done it again. Fought back up the